Now, what we need to discuss for the macro management of economy is the trade or business or economic cycle. As a matter of fact, we have already discussed the
यस यस
trade,
इसको तो पूरा पूरा
business
अच्छा से
और
डिस्कस किया,
इकोनॉमिक साइकिल अच्छी तरह से हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया हुआ है।
बहुत अच्छा
है
डिस्कस
ना? तो इसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको क्विकली क्लोज करते हैं। नंबर वन, व्हाट इज रिसेशन? Recession is slowdown in the economic activity of a country. Number two, why do recessions occur? Recessions occur for many reasons, and one of the reasons for recession happening in an economy is over built up of capacities. So when there are surplus capacities, that leads to recession in an economy. Number three, who can be responsible for the recession? I would say it is the bad economic administration which is responsible for a recession in the economy, plus tendency of the people to make more profit, and in the urge to make profit, build surplus capacities. That is another reason which is responsible for recession. Question number four, can recessions be averted? Answer, of course, is yes. Recessions can definitely be averted, and that is the role and responsibility of the government of the country and the central bank of the country. And the government of country will use the fiscal tools, and the Reserve Bank of India or the central bank of the country will use the monetary tools for the purpose of averting the recession. Please remember, recessions are never permanent. What can only happen is that sometimes recession can last for a short time, sometimes they can last for a long time. When they last for a long time, they cause more damage than when they last for short time, but they can definitely be reverted, and they are of course averted. If yes, then how, and if not, then why not? So the recessions are averted by the use of fiscal policies and the monetary policies by the government of the country and the central bank of the country respectively. How will a government use the four tools of fiscal policy in line with the business cycle? I think I have already discussed that. So the
यस
government will use the capital expenditure, government will use the public debt, government will use the taxes, government will use the budget for the purpose of managing the economy of a country. So depending upon कि economy contraction phase में है कि economy expansion phase में है, the government will play with these four tools and and ensure that the end objective of the government is achieved. What will happen to valuations during the recessionary period? तो रिसेशन के समय में वैल्यूएशन पर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा किसी भी कंपनी के वैल्यूएशन पे? ऑब्वियसली इन द रिसेशनरी सिचुएशंस द इम्पैक्ट ऑन द वैल्यूएशन इज गोइंग टू बी एडवर्स. दैट मीन्स अगर कोई कंट्री की इकोनॉमी is passing through recessionary phase, then the valuations of all the companies in general will be on the lower side. What can be done to revive the economy, and what can be done to revive the economy? Of course, is use of fiscal tools by the government of the country and use of monetary tools by the central bank of the country, and thereby they can revive economy from the recessionary situations.